This is lesson 6, the short and long sound of O. First, we'll review I. Review of I's short and long sounds. Short I sounds like I in it, sit, mix, pit, mit, lid. Short I sounds like I. Long I sounds like I in like, might, fight, sight. We're going to talk about the short and long sounds of O. The short O sounds like ah in on, bob, box, top, dot, block. The short O sounds like ah, got, 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 hot, 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 not, not. Not. The OT together sounds like ot, ot, not, rot, ot, rot, lot, ot, lot, got, hot, not, rot, lot. Job, 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 rob, ob. OB together sounds like ob, rob, cob, ob, cob, job, rob, cob, dot, ot, dot. OT sounds like ot, rot, ot, rot, not, ot, not, dot, rot, not. Hog, og, hog. OG together sounds like og, log, og, log, fog, og, fog, hog, log, fog. Rock. The CK makes one sound k, k, rock. Lock, 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 lock. Block, 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 block. Rock, lock, block. Let's read some sentences that have the short O sound. The fox is red. Fox has the short O sound. I am not mad. Not. Short O sound. I am not mad. He is not mad. Not. The hog did not bite the cat. Hog did not bite the cat. Here are some words with a short O sound. Top, T-O-P, top. Spots, S-P-O-T-S, spots. Clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Blocks, B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Log, L-O-G, log. Rocket, R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Ox, O-X, ox. Lock, L-O-C-K, lock. Socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Bottle, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. Box, B-O-X. Rock, R-O-C-K. Pot, P-O-T. Cot, C-O-T. Top, spots. Clock, dog. Blocks, fox. Log, rocket. Ox, lock. Socks, bottle. Box, rock. Pot, cot. Let's talk about the long sound of O. The long sound of O sounds like O, as in nose. It says its name O, nose. Nose, smoke, robe, stove, hose. The long sound of O has the spelling patterns consonant, vowel, silent E, like toe, consonant, vowel, silent E, toe, Joe, Mo, consonant, vowel, silent E. Another spelling pattern is consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E, like nose, says O, N-O-S, silent E, nose, nose, N-O-S, nose, hose, H-O-S, hose, rose, R-O-S, rose, nose, hose, rose, robe, R-O-B, robe, lobe, la-obe, lobe, robe, lobe, cone, c-o-n, cone, bone, ba-own, bone, cone, bone. Another spelling pattern of the long O is O-A, like goat, O-A together. Sounds like O, goat, coat, O-A, coat, goat, ga-oat, goat, coat, ka-oat, coat, toast, ta-oast, toast, boat, ba-oat, boat. Another common spelling pattern of long O is O-W, like mow, mow, M-O, mow, blow, blah-o, blow, low, la-o, low, throw, throw, throw. Let's read some sentences that have the long O words. The coat is red, coat. The boat is mine, boat. The wind will blow the kite, blow. The goat is mad, goat. Here are some words with a long O. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. This is smoke, S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Robe, R-O-B-E, robe. Stove, S-T-O-V-E, stove. Home, H-O-M-E, home. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Hose, H-O-S-E, hose. Rope, R-O-P-E, rope. Cone, C-O-N-E, cone. Bone, B-O-N-E, bone. Toad, T-O-A-D, toad. Soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Coat, C-O-A-T, coat. Toast, T-O-A-S-T, toast. Boat, B-O-A-T, boat. Goat, G-O-A-T. Here's some new sight words. Come, C-O-M-E, come, come. For, F-O-R, for. One, O-N-E, one. Said, S-A-I-D. Let's find come in these sentences. Here is come. I come to you. Let's find come in number 2. Come. Will you come? Let's find come in 3. Did he come? Let's find for in the next sentences. For. Here is for. The cat is for you. Here's for. The kite is for you. Here's for. The mitt is for the cat. Let's find the word one in these sentences. I have one cat. There's one. Here's one. Do you have one cat? Here's one. I have one kite. Let's find the word said in these sentences. Here's said. She said, go right. Here's said. He said, take a bite. Here's said. We said, you need to go. Here are the sight words that we have learned already. The is I am. He has, have, not, to. Go, goes, does, do. She, are, was, were. Come, for, one, said.